Okay, so 2017 has come and gone. So it's time for me to do my top picks for the Digital Goja showroom for the year 2017. Coming right up. So if you've joined us before for the top picks for Digital Goja, you know how this works. But if you're a newcomer, guess what? I'm going to explain it for you. Very simple. I'm going to go in reverse order from number 5 to number 1. So without any further wait, let's start with number 5. And here it is, the Sony A6000. This crop sensor APS-C camera was a very big seller here in Digital Goja showrooms. And I picked it because a lot of newcomers came in and said, I want a small camera, I want 24 megapixels, I want great video capability, and it has to be something compact. Well, guess what? This guy fits the bill for all of that. You have a 24 megapixel, more than 300 focusing points. You have full 1080p at 60 frames per second. You have a vast array of lenses available from Sony themselves, and there's other market lenses out there from both Sigma, Tamron, and even legacy lenses that you can use with an adapter. What's not to like? And again, it's small enough that you can almost put it in your pocket with the 16 to 50 kit lens that it comes with. So if you're in the market for a compact APS-C camera, absolutely take a look at the Sony A6000. Now stay tuned, we're gonna go on to number 4. All right, so number 4 in my top picks for Digital Goja, guess what? It's another Sigma Art Series wonder. This guy is the 18 to 35 f1.8. Yes, I know that this lens has been around for a while, but you know why? It's a fantastic crop sensor lens. This guy is a constant f1.8. This is the first lens that was used as a prime zoom. I remember when we used that term, people were up in arms. It's not a prime zoom. Guess what? It became a very popular way to differentiate between something as fast as a 1.8 18 to 35 millimeter. And of course, there's other ones out there, but the one that I chose is this guy because a lot of customers came in and said, look, I want something that's fast for my crop sensor camera, whether it's my Canon Rebel series or 7D Mark II or my Nikon D500, and I don't want to walk around with a bunch of lenses. This Sigma Art Series lens fits the bill. It's fast, it's lightweight, incredible focusing, fantastic build, and of course it's a global vision lens, so you can work with all the different accessories and capabilities of a global vision lens lineup from Sigma. Take a look at the link below, and that way you'll have access to purchase it. So of course, number 4 in the lineup is the Sigma 18 to 135 Art Series f1.8. Now, let's go on to number 3. So thank you for sticking along. We're up to number 3 now, and this one happens to be another one of my favorites, the Altura Photo Professional Sensor Cleaning Kit. It's a complete kit, but it also allows you to clean your sensor. Why do I like it? Because of the fact that it allows you to keep your sensor clear and smudge free. That way you don't have to sit there post-production and try to get rid of little spots that are popping up all over the place. It's very simple to use, and it's a complete kit. It comes with 6 sensor swabs cleaners, which are meant for full frame or crop sensor. You can purchase it for whichever camera you prefer to use. It comes with the Altura Photo 2-ounce all-natural sensor and lens cleaning fluid. It's a nice compact package. It comes with a beautiful carrying case. You get a lens cleaning pen, you get a brush, you also get the magic fibers, and you get an air blur. So everything that you need to keep your camera working like day one, plus on top of the fact, your sensor is going to be giving you years of use without a lot of post-production work. So again, take a look at the link below. That way you can purchase it for yourself. Now, get ready. We're going on to number 2. All right, so number 2 in the lineup, of course, is the very tried and true L Series lens from Canon. It's a favorite for me. It's a favorite for photographers, for videographers. Of course, I'm talking about their 70-200 f2.8 IS USM L Series version 2. This lens is super fast focusing. It's incredibly capable for any shooting situation, whether you're doing sports, events, wildlife, you name it. This guy comes in very handy. It's something that, of course, is their L Series lineup, so you know you're getting top quality from the Canon Corporation. It's going to work for your full frame camera, so whether you have a 6D, a 5D Mark III, 4, or even a 1DX series camera, it works great as an all-around mid-range telephoto zoom with a fast 2.8 aperture, and of course fantastic image stabilization. But guess what, if you're working with a crop sensor camera, again like a 7D Mark II or something like in the lines of a 77D or an 80D, now this gives you the perspective of a 300 millimeter maximum at 2.8. So guess what, you can walk around with this everywhere, not with a big giant super heavy telephoto, and you have the zoom capabilities and the capability of dealing with some of their fastest focusing system to date. So of course, number 2 is one of my favorites, the Canon 70-200 f2.8 IS Series 2 L Series lens. Now, we made it to the end. Get ready, here comes number 1. And here we have number 1 pick for 2017 for the Digital Goja showroom. Of course, hats off goes to the new Tamron Ultrazoom. I'm talking about their latest and greatest, the 18-400 millimeter. Not only was this a fantastic seller here, but it was a lens that we could recommend to customers that came in and said, look, I want something that is an all-around lens, and I don't want to walk around with a bag full of lenses. I want something that gives me a wide perspective to a super telephoto for my crop sensor camera, and I don't want to be swapping lenses. This guy fits the bill. Fantastic focusing capabilities, incredible vibration compensation, fully weather sealed. It's sharp, it's fast. It also works on both, again, available for Canon. So you have a 7D Mark II or a Rebel series or an 80D. This fits the bill. Or if you're working with Nikon, you have a D5600, you're used to a smaller compact body and you don't want to take along big giant lenses, this guy's going to do the job for you and you can take it with you everywhere. Again, you have D500s, any of the crop sensor cameras from Nikon will also work with this lens. So fantastic 6-year manufacturer's warranty, so Tamron stands up behind it. Fantastic capabilities in a nice compact package. Number 1 at Digital Goja showroom for me for 2017, the Tamron 18-400 VC series lens. As always, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button underneath, and of course subscribe to our channel for future unboxings, tutorials, and frequently asked questions. And you're visiting the Miami area, don't forget, you got to come by and visit the Digital Goja showrooms. Happy shooting!